Wall Street defies shutdown chaos. ASX eyes record highs. What's driving markets? Despite the ongoing U.S. government shutdown casting a shadow of uncertainty, Wall Street's resilience continues to surprise. The S&P 500, a key benchmark index, inched higher, securing yet another record close. This seemingly counterintuitive move raises questions. Are investors shrugging off the political gridlock, or is there something else at play? And this is the part most people miss. The shutdown's impact on economic data releases could be skewing market perceptions, creating a temporary vacuum of information that might be fueling cautious optimism. Locally, the ASX 200 is poised to follow Wall Street's lead, with futures trading suggesting a 0.3% gain at the open. This modest rise could be enough to propel the index to a new record high, surpassing the 9,091-point mark set in August. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this potential record a sign of genuine market strength, or simply a reflection of limited trading options during the shutdown? Market snapshot, a global perspective. ASX 200 futures, plus 0.3% to 9,045 points, hinting at a potential record-breaking day. Australian dollar, slipping slightly, minus 0.2% to 65.87 US cents. Wall Street, mixed performance with the S&P 500 flat, Dow Jones up 0.5%, and Nasdaq down 0.4% as tech stocks take a breather. Europe, a mixed bag with the DAX down 0.2%, FTSE up 0.7%, and Eurostoxx up 0.2%. Commodities, gold shines, plus 0.8% to $3,886 per ounce. Brent crude slicks, minus 1% to $65.40 per barrel. And iron ore edges down, minus 0.1% to $103.70 per ton. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin continues its volatile ride, up 0.7% to $122,766 after briefly touching a record high above $125,000. Looking ahead, a week of uncertainty and potential surprises. This week promises to be a quiet one for macroeconomic data, both domestically and internationally, thanks to the U.S. government shutdown. However, there are a few key events to watch. Australia, the RBA governor's appearance before a Senate committee on Friday could offer insights into the bank's monetary policy stance. The Westpac Melbourne Institute Consumer Confidence Survey on Tuesday might reveal how consumers are reacting to the RBA's recent hawkish tone on rate cuts. New Zealand, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is expected to cut rates again, potentially by 50 basis points, which could impact travel plans for Aussies heading across the ditch. United States, the shutdown continues to disrupt data releases, leaving investors in the dock. Friday's consumer sentiment survey from the University of Michigan might provide a glimpse into consumer confidence, but expect a slightly gloomier outlook. OPEC Plus's tightrope walk, balancing stability and market share. The oil cartel OPEC Plus has once again increased its output targets, a move aimed at reclaiming market share from U.S. producers. This decision, while modest, comes amidst concerns about a potential supply glut. Is OPEC Plus risking a price war by increasing production, or are they simply reacting to a changing market landscape? The internal rift between Russia and Saudi Arabia, with Russia favoring a cautious approach and Saudi Arabia pushing for a more aggressive production increase, adds another layer of complexity to the situation. The week ahead, questions and opportunities. As we navigate this week of uncertainty, several questions linger. Will the ASX achieve a new record high? How will the U.S. government shutdown impact global markets in the long term? And what will be the ultimate outcome of OPEC Plus's production strategy? Stay tuned to our live blog for real-time updates and insights from our expert business reporters. Remember, this blog is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. What are your thoughts on the current market situation? Do you think the ASX will reach a new record high this week? Share your opinions in the comments below.